I'm happy to speak to you today on land or mud or soil element. I told you already that the universe is inside you and you are in the universe. Yes, it is true. The qualities of the mud, the soil, are the same qualities that we carry in some of the organs inside of us, in the body. What normally the soil does to the other beings, other lives, they give us structure, number one, because the soil is a solid thing and they can create a structure. It does not depend on the other things to create a structure. And then number two, it nourishes the lives. It can give food to the living beings that is depending on it. It can supply food. Second. Third, it can hold a tree. It can hold a solid material. It can hold you. It can hold other things. Because it is allowing the gravitation force to come and enter. Using that gravitational force, it holds. It has water inside of the soil. It can contain water. Because it can contain water, it can contain warmth, it can contain other elements. It is supplying food. It is nourishing other lives. And you can keep on saying the other characteristics. You can understand by your reflection the similarities between the earth soil element and the organs that you have which dominates the soil element inside of the body. The first one is hair. This hair in us is dominated by the earth element, dominated by the soil element. It has the same qualities. It is growing. You see that the hair grows. The earth also allows things to grow. The soil allows things to grow. The first one is the hair. And the second one, skin. Skin's element is dominated by the soil element. Its very essence can be compared with as that of the soil of the universe. It is dominated by the soil element, skin. And then you have your bones. Bones are also have the same soil element dominating. Bones can grow. It can nourish. And it can give vitality to the other organs. It can contain a shape. Imagine without bone, how will you be? You will be like scrolling like a worm. Bones gives you a shape. And then I told you flesh. Flesh also has the soil element. Whatever that is kept on the soil grows. It supplies food. Same also the flesh. Whatever that the flesh holds, the flesh gives Shakti, energy. It holds energy. Every cell in the flesh has this soil element. And the nerves also has the soil element. You see the gravitational force is being just attracted. It holds you, it connects you. The same gravitational force is working on you, which is working on the soil of this earth. So my dear friends, hair, skin, flesh, bone, nerves, All these are dominated by the soil element. So when these organs get sick, you can take the mud from the place where you're living and apply on the body and be exposed to the sun. And then when it is dry, you just wash, bathe, and you feel so good. You feel so close to the earth. And these organs get strengthened. So, my dear friends, I told you, you are the potential seed of this universe. So, we have seen one element today, that is the soil element, which is dominating in our body: hair, skin, flesh, bones, nerves, and then I think so. That's all. My dear friends, let us be in touch with this vibration of this universe through this soil element which is dominating in your body. You absorb the gravitational force in you. The vibration just simply reaches you to the core of your being. You realize the vibration in you. And you nourish every part of you, every cell of you, because of this element. And believe me, just staying with the soil or with the mud can nourish you and strengthen you as this Mother Earth is nourishing all living beings. All of us are sharing the same soil element. You think that only we have something special? Every living being is sharing the same. We are all one. We are not different. Let us respect every being. Let us love them as our own brother or sister and help each other live a peaceful and happy life. I'm happy that I spoke to you today. The dominating soil or mud in the body, the different organs. By then, may God bless you and keep you good. Thank you.